Hello, today we're in Carlsbad at the Carlsbad Flower Market, and here is wax flower. If you've been to my school, you know that I love wax flower. It makes everything beautiful. We have a great selection of wax flower here today. Moving on, we have hypericum berries in every color. And here we have a sea of Gerber daisies, one of my favorites, as well as mini green carnations. For class information, go to flowerschool101.com and join us in class for a design session. You can also order our online classes where a box of flowers will be sent to you and you can watch the video over and over and learn that way. The students will be doing spectacular work that way. So I hope you're having a bright and wonderful day, and hope this cheers your day if you need some sunshine and flowers, because this is where it's at.